In this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Robinhood credit card. The card is currently available only to Robinhood Gold members via a wait list. So you will need to visit the Robinhood website or application, and then you just want to go ahead and search for this option that says apply for Robinhood Gold credit, or you can go to Google and just look up Robinhood credit card right over here, and then just select on Robinhood Gold card. So first off, you need to be a Robinhood Gold member. Again, the card is exclusive to Robinhood Gold subscribers, which requires an annual subscription of up to $75 a year or $7 a month. So if you're not already a gold member, you'll need to upgrade to this membership when your application is approved. So once you are selected from the waitlist, you'll receive an email and a push notification from the Robinhood app indicating your eligibility to apply. You can start the application through the provided link or directly in the spending tab of the Robinhood app. Then it is going to give you the option to actually do the application. So the application is only available through the Robinhood app, not on the Robinhood website. So you will need to provide your full name, your social security number, email, date of birth, phone number, residential address, and estimated annual income. Your credit will not be impacted until you accept the card offer. So I'm not going to lie to you guys, getting the Robinhood Gold card can be a little bit challenging, and you really need to be qualified. You need to have good credit, and you need to actually be someone who uses Robinhood on a consistent basis. So if approved, you'll confirm your Robinhood Gold membership and accept the cardholder agreement. The card will then be shipped to a valid US residential address, and upon receiving it, you can activate it through the Robinhood credit card app, where you will also manage your account and view your card details. So to put into perspective, Robinhood typically issues around 100,000 or even like 200,000 of these cards to people, but the waitlist has over 2 million signups. So you really should be expecting to wait a little while, and just again, I just want to keep things as transparent as possible. But if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.